Hello guys, hello and welcome. So I am live with another Power BI tutorial. So today I'm going to teach you that how we can analyze our data set with the over here superstore data. And if you want to see the whole column details, so you can go to the report view, not you can go to the data view. So as you can see, there are multiple columns, right? Row ID, order ID, order date. So yes, let's go back to the report view, and we are doing something using ChatGPT to analyze our data sets. So let's see. Okay, so here we would take a table. So I want to show my data set to you initially, and let's say we took the category in one table, we took the quantity in another table, or we took number of orders. Like we can sum our orders as well. We can sum it like not the order ID sum, but we can, you know, took the quantity, the order. So total orders I want to take, but okay, we can take sales as well. So as you can see, we have three categories: furniture, office supplies. You can expand your column like this, or as you can see, so we have three categories: furniture, office supplies, technologies. And we have these orders, and we can sort our orders on the basis of large. So let's click on this. So you can see it's gonna be sorted like this. And if I want to, okay, so here is the office supplies did the more sales, then furniture, and then technology. So yes, here we are, and I want to create, I want to copy it, and I want to paste it over here. So let's see. So now we have two tables, right? But I want to change this table into bar chart. So let's see how we can do it. We gonna simply click on stack bar chart, and let's see what's gonna happen. But there is one issue: the sales and the quantities combined together. But I don't want to look like it like this. So let me just expand it over here, and let's just click on this bar. Okay, so let's see. We okay, so this is our category, and this is our sales. But what I want to do, I want to do, yeah, so here we are. This is the clustered column chart. So now you can see how many number of orders and how many sales we have done. So it shows the technology with lower number of orders but more in terms of revenue. So let's sort it out on the basis of sales, of course. So the technology is on the ones, and the current furniture on second, and the office supplies on third. But what I want to do over here, I want to, the line y-axis. So here you can add something, so you can show the line. So if I put the profit in the line, what it would do? So you can see the technology made more profit, the furniture category is less profitable, and the office supplies is a quite performing better. Or we can, uh, so yes, so this is over one of the tables, and you see how I converted my table into a bar chart. So you can click on this, it will change like this, or you can play around with it like simply to this, it will show like this, and it will just break down both the quantity. Oh yes, what I wanted to tell you is we can add the data labels. Okay, so I want to on the table. So now you can see this is basically the amount of the profit, or you can see the series labels. So I open labels as well using Power BI, or you can play around with a lot of, you can see it's a marker. So marker, if I off the markers, it's not giving you the dots. If I open the markers, it will give you the columns like this. And if I want to change theme, so you can play around it by yourself. So this is all for today, and thank you very much. So what we learn in this tutorial, we learn that how we can convert a table, a simple table, into a beautiful bar chart, which is a combo bar chart, you can say, where we can see the quantity or we can see the sales both at the same time, and also the profit represent through line. So this is it. Thank you very much.